Question number 86. Let's read it. Most easily compressible gas among the following is. Student, we have to understand that higher is the intermolecular forces of attraction. It is more easy to compress a gas. Among the given options, ammonia, that is option number 1, are associated with intermolecular force of attraction, hydrogen bonding. Hence, it is most easily compressed. So the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 87. Let's read it. If the molar volume of a gas at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure is less than 22.4 liter, then identify the correct option. Student, since the molar volume is less than 22.4 liter, that means attractive forces are dominant. Also, we know that Z is equals to V real upon V ideal. Since V real is less than V ideal, that means the value of Z is less than 1. And also we have discussed that in this case attractive forces are dominant. So the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 88. Let's read it. Consider the reaction 2A gaseous plus B2 gaseous gives 2AB gaseous. At 300 Kelvin, if entropies of A gaseous, B2 gaseous and AB gaseous are 50, 110 and 78 joule per Kelvin per mole respectively, then entropy change for the reaction is. Student, we know that delta S for the reaction is equals to S naught of products minus S naught of reactants. Here for this reaction, delta S for reaction is equals to 2 into S naught for AB, consider this reaction, minus 2 into S naught of A plus S naught of B2. Let's put the values. 2 into for AB, it is 78, minus 2 into for A, this is 50, plus 110, which is equals to minus 54 joule per Kelvin per mole. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 89. Let's read it. The heat liberated when 1.5 gram benzoic acid is burnt in bomb calorimeter at 25 degrees Celsius increases the temperature of 17.27 kg of water by 0.55 degrees Celsius. The heat of combustion of benzoic acid is, we are given with specific heat of water at 25 degrees Celsius, which is 0.998 calorie per gram per degree. Student, we know that heat liberated Q is equals to specific heat capacity multiplied by mass multiplied by increase in temperature. Here we have to calculate the heat liberated by 1.5 gram of benzoic acid, which is equals to specific heat capacity, which is 0.998 multiplied by mass in grams. Here it is given in kilograms, so 17270 grams multiplied by delta T, which is 0.55 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 9479 calorie. Now student, so heat liberated by the combustion of 1 mole of benzoic acid is equals to 1 mole of benzoic acid weighs 122 gram is equals to 9479, that is this divided by 1.5 multiplied by 122 gram, which is 771 kilocalorie per mole. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, students, which is question number 90. A reaction is non-spontaneous at all temperature when, students, we know that delta G naught is equals to delta H naught minus T delta S naught. For non-spontaneous reaction, the delta G must be positive. That means if delta H naught is positive and delta S naught is negative, then at all the temperature, delta G naught will be positive and the reaction will be non-spontaneous. So the correct answer is option number 3. Also, so it is very clear that a reaction is non-spontaneous for all temperature when enthalpy change is positive and entropy change is negative. So the correct answer is option number 3. That was my last question, students. Thank you so much. I hope this quick solution is helpful for you all. All the very best and be safe.